Hey guys, welcome back to Artistic Therapy Zone. Today we are going to learn this vibrant, colorful, musical, abstract jazz art. If you like the step-by-step tutorial, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone right now. So without further ado, let's get started. Here is a list of materials required. 140 GSM is nothing but the thickness of the paper of A3 size and neon colors, masking tape and our brushes. Actually, I am going to use this neon colors because recently we celebrated a colorful festival, Holi, and I thought that let me try something colorful and vibrant to change the vibe of your walls, because modern research shows that when our eyes connect with colors, our brain releases different chemicals which impacts us physically and emotionally. So these vibrant colors actually help you to uplift your mood. And whenever we see those vibrant colors, and however dull our mood is, at least there is a chemical called serotonin, which is a feel good chemical that is released by our brain when we see such vibrant colors. You must have noticed that restaurants, hotels, play areas, all this have some vibrant colors added to them. And do you know why they do that? Just because they want that their customers should feel good when they enter that area, and they should have some energetic vibes to try their things. So that's basically the idea why we are making this art, so that we can change the vibe of our rooms. And this can be the best gift to the person we love, because it will instantly uplift their mood. And handmade always works as a special gift. So let's see how we have to make this art. What I have done is, first I have sketched some musical instruments. You can take any theme of your choice. It's not necessary that you take musical instruments. Depending on your likings, you can change the background elements, but the idea is basically to use vibrant colors. So I have first sketched the musical instruments, and then I am using this neon colors. Neon colors are actually very vibrant, and they are really catchy and attractive. Okay, so the important thing that you have to keep in mind while applying colors is, don't take one color at one place. The idea is to spread the color and cover all the parts of the artwork. So all the area should have all the colors. Like if we take pink, then it should not be like it's only in one corner. We have to make sure that it is spreaded across the paper. And then while blending, I would like you to take few points in consideration. First is, both our colors should be wet. If either of them becomes dry, we cannot blend them. And when it is this summer season especially, then we have to mix a little water to our acrylic colors, because if we don't add water, then the color will dry very fast. So just mix 2-3 drops of water and then start blending process. And for blending, we usually go with the flat brushes. I am using here flat brush number 1 for blending, and it is more convenient to blend with the flat brushes rather than round brushes. So these are the few points that you have to keep in mind, and be very slow. Don't mix the colors where it is not required. Only the places where it is to be blended, at that place only we have to blend them. So what you have to do is use the edge of the flat brush to give the crisp finish. You can see how I am using it. So same way you have to make the use of the edge of our flat brush. And this art also requires your patience. Just enjoy the process, guys. It is highly therapeutic. Just focus, and within minutes you will forget what is going on outside world. you will see that these colors will start working their magic on your brain. You'll be lost in the world of colors and you'll forget all the worries, tension, stress. You will feel relaxed, calm, and rejuvenated after completing this artwork. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this art. It was so nice. When I completed it, I was like, wow. The feeling was just wow. It works like a meditation for me. And I know it is going to have the same effect on you. Just you need to grab your art supplies and start doing it. To please guys, don't just watch it. If you want to benefit, go ahead and try it. I am sure if you will try it, you will know what are the real actual benefits of doing art. So like this, I have filled all the areas of my painting, and we need to give a border of black acrylic color using our round brush 0, and the consistency of black acrylic color also has to be not too thick nor too thin, otherwise our brush will not move properly. And one tip I would like to share here is, while you apply the borders or such crisp lines, always keep your brush in standing position. The more it is in standing position, the more crisp your lines will be. Now I am applying the highlights of white color. Like this, we have to give the highlights to different places, and it will really add to make the painting look more beautiful. Just be patient while doing this. We have to be sure that the lines are not crooked. They have to come in proper size. Here also the same thing we need to keep in mind, that keep our brush in standing position. Here I am adding the highlights to this. Just enjoy this process and you will feel so peaceful and relaxed at the end that you have to experience this, guys. You have to experience. मेरे बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. When you are watching this, believe me, you will get only 2 to 3% of what I am saying. But if you want to experience the real pleasure, the real fun, then you have to experience it personally. So please go ahead and recreate this art in your own style with your own personal touch, and don't forget to share it and tag us on your Instagram. I'll be happy to share it on my Instagram stories. So like this, we have to complete our full painting, and once it is completed, guys, there is one more very soothing thing which I told you that I'll reveal at the end. That is this masking tape. So there are two advantages of applying masking tape. One is that it is highly therapeutic when we remove the masking tape, and second is that we get crisp edges. So the paint will not come outside those edges, and we don't have to do so much of hard work to get that crisp edges. Masking tape will help us to simplify that work. Now just see how I am going to do it, and believe me, this is the best part of the painting. I just love this. What you have to do is peel off this tape at a 45-degree angle. You have to keep it at a 45 degree so that it doesn't tear off the paper. See, can you notice how crisp the edge has come? Yes, this is the thing I was talking about. And I know that you will also enjoy this. Can you see how nicely the borders have come without getting the color spreaded? And you can frame this painting with the choice of the frames that you like. It is your personal choice how you want to frame it, and even the size you can select it as per your choice. I have taken an A3 size paper, and this can be the best gift, yeah, guys. If you gift such a lovely handmade gift to your loved ones, they will be delighted to receive such gifts, and they will definitely feel special and vibrant. Okay, just notice that the masking tape got tore off. What you have to do in this situation is go ahead and start removing the masking tape from the opposite side. Ta-da! Our painting is ready. Can you see the vibrant colors, how they are looking so beautiful and attractive to change your mood? Isn't it looking vibrant and beautiful, guys? So go ahead and make one, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Artistic Therapy Zone right now. Until then, art you all. Bye bye. See ya.